Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this runner. It's 45 centimeters long. It's very cute, as you can see. It's not difficult to make. You will see you can make it longer if you want. I will tell you how to make it longer, or you can make it shorter, even smaller you can make it. Then I tell you how. Hope that you try and make it. So the hook I'm going to use it is 2.5. Now depending on the yarn or the thread you're going to use, you use the hook, but the thread I'm going to use, it takes 2.5. That's why I'm using 2.5. But as I told you, depends on the thread you are using. So chains, I made 28 chains. So I started with 28 chains. Now go to the 9th chain, you skip 8 and go to the 9th one. Skip 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the 9th one and make a double crochet. The 9th chain, make a double crochet. Now 2 chains, 1 and 2, skip the next 2 chains, skip the next 2, go in the other one and make another double crochet, like that. Now here you have a double crochet where we have to chains 2 and 3. Now we're going to make another 2 chains, 1 and 2. We skip the next 2 chains, we go in the 3rd one and we make another double crochet. And we have to finish like this. These you have to have. Now here you have a double. No, these don't take any notice for now. These leave them there, don't take notice. Then I'll tell you how we're going to use them. For now we're going to work only on the ones, on the double crochets we made here. We're going to work only on these. So we start the next row with 5 chains. So you make 5 chains. You turn the work around. You go on the first double crochet here we made before and we make a double crochet on top of it. 2 chains, 1 and 2. We go on the next double crochet and we make another double crochet on top of it. Another 2 chains, 1 and 2. We skip 2. We skip 2 chains, we go in the 3rd one and we make a double crochet in the 3rd from the last, like that. And that is the 2nd row ready too. Now we're going to start the next row. We start with 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We turn the work around, we make a double crochet on the next double crochet. Now in the middle here we have to make 2 double crochet. We make 2 double crochet in the middle of those 2 double crochet we made before, and another double crochet on the next double crochet. So in all we have to have 4 double crochet. Now 2 chains, you skip 2 chains, 1, 2, you go in the 3rd one and we make a double crochet on the 3rd one there, like that. Now in this pattern we're going to repeat those 2 rows. We start again the next row with 5 chains. We start with 5 chains. Now we're going to do, we go in the first double crochet, here we make a double crochet. Another 2 chains, 1 and 2. We skip those in the middle, we go in the 4th one and we make another double crochet. Another 2 chains. We skipped 2 chains. 1, 2, we go in the third one and we make a double crochet like that. This is the other row. Now we're going to repeat the row before. Now 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We turn the work around, we go in the first double crochet. Here we make a double crochet. We make 2 double crochets in the middle. As you're seeing, we're repeating those 2 rows. 1 and 2. And another double crochet on the double crochet that we have. We made 4. 2 chains. We skip 2 chains. 1, 2, we go in the third one and we make a double crochet in the third one. And as you can see, we're repeating these 2 rows. Always repeating those 2 rows. These you leave them out, then we'll work on them. We're repeating always these 2 rows. You make this one and you make the other one after this one and the other after. Now in all, I'm going to make 27 rows. The important thing is that the last 2 rows of the 27 are like the 2 rows we started with. Like these 2. The last 2 have to be like these 2. So we'll make 25 rows and then the last 2, 25, 26 and 27 like these 2, the first 2 that we made. If you want it larger, you make more rows. So the 27 rows are ready. If you want it larger, you make more rows. If you want it smaller, you make less rows. As you can see, we started with these 2 rows, as I told you, and I finished with these 2 rows. I finished with these 2 rows, the same like we started. And I made 27 rows. As I told you, if you want it larger, you make more. If you want it smaller, you make less. And we finished like we started with these 2. With these 2 rows. That's the important thing, that you finish like that. And here I have 27 rows in all. And as I told you, do as you wish. Now we're going to make 18 chains. So make 18 chains. Continue making 18 chains. So the 18 chains are ready. You go on the other side here. You go in the third chain and the third one and you close it with a slip stitch like that. Now we're going to start now working. You turn the work around. Here is where we finished. We turn the work around and we're going to make chains. 1, 5 chains, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chains. Now here we're going to make 16 double crochet. So make 16 double crochet on those 18 chains that we made before. Make 16 double crochet. The 16 double crochet are ready. We make 2 chains. Now we go here on the first one here and we make a double crochet. Like that. Here we have the chains that serve as a double crochet, the chains. Now 2 chains, 1 and 2. We're going to skip this. We skip it. The first space we skip it. We go on the second space and we make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We make 4 in each space, in this space, and we skip 1 space. 2 chains, 1 and 2. We skip this space, we skip it, we go in the next one. And we make another 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Another 2 chains. And we're going to repeat. We skip this one, we make 4 double crochet here. And this, you do all the side like that. 2 chains, you skip 1 space, 4 double crochet in the next space. 2 chains, you skip 1 space, 4 double crochet in the next space. You continue this side like that. Another 2 chains, you skip here, 4 double crochet here. 2 chains, skip here, 4 double, 2 chains, skip 1, 4 double crochet. You continue all this side like that, like I showed you, like we did here, until you arrive here. So, as you can see, this is ready here. We finished it. Now, we make 2 chains. We're going to work here. We make 2 chains, 1 and 2. We go here on top here and we make a double crochet on top of there. Now, we make another 2 chains. Now we're going to work on these chains we made in the beginning. These, we're going to attach it to here, but then I show you how to attach it. So it comes like here. So, we're going to work here. You don't need to work in the chains, you just need to make 16 double crochet here. 16 double crochet on top of these chains. So, continue making 16 double crochet on top of these chains. Continue until you have 16 here on top. So the 16 double crochet are ready, as you can see. Now we're going to attach this part to the 3rd chain here. Then I'm going to show you how to attach. We're going to attach it with a double crochet. But first we make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and we're going to make a double crochet. So we turn the thread for a double crochet. We go in the last chain here. We go in the last chain here. We leave the hook there. You go in the 3rd chain from here. 1, 1, 2, 3. In the 3rd chain, you pull up a stitch. You pull it through the 2 stitches like that, and then you make a double crochet. And that we attached that part to the other part here, as you can see, just it came like the other side. So we make 2 chains. Now we're going to work like the other side. We skip the first space, we go in the 2nd place, and we make 4 double crochet. We're going to work like we did the other side, exactly like we did the other side. 4 double crochet, 2 chains, you skip 1 space, another 2 chains, 4 double crochet, continue like that. Now 2 chains, we skip the next space, we go in the other space. This we're going to hide it here. And we're going to make another 4 double crochet. Another 4 double crochet in the space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Another 2 chains, and you continue. You skip 1, you make 4 double crochet in the next one. You continue this side like we did the other side. Here, all the side like the other side. So this side is ready too, and we finish 2 chains. Here we have the chains we started with. We go in the 3rd one, we go in the third chain. If you can't find it from here, you find it from the other side. You skip 2 from here, 1, 2, and go in the third one. And we finish this row with a slip stitch. You go in the chain there, I can't find it, and we finish with a slip stitch this row. We finish it with a slip stitch, and this row is ready too. Now we're going to start the next row. We start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 chains. We start with 11 chains. Now we go in the first one here. We make a double crochet. You leave the last stitch on the hook. That is 1. You go on the second one, double crochet, leave the last stitch on the hook, 2. You go in the third one, double crochet, you leave the last stitch on the hook, those are 3, the last one. Double crochet, and you leave the last stitch on the hook, and then you slip all of them together. We're going to make a group of 4. So 9 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We go in the second group now. Another 4. So we go in the first one here, a double crochet, and we leave the last stitch on the hook. 1, on the second one, and we leave the last stitch on the hook. We go on the third one, we leave the last stitch on the hook. We go on the fourth one, and then we slip them all together like that. Another 9 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We go in the next 4 again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we slip them together, always leaving the last stitch on the hook, and then we slip them together, and we make another 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we're going to do the same. We make 4 double crochet, you leave the last stitch on the hook, and then we slip them together. This is the third one, the fourth one, and then we're going to slip them together like that. So we made 7 chains. Now we're going here and we make a double crochet. Double crochet, double treble, you turn the thread 2 times on the hook. We turn it through 2 times on the hook. Double crochet, turning the thread 2 times on the hook, on that one. Now, we make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to make 4 double crochet on the 4 double crochet that we have, leaving the last stitch on the hook, and then we're going to slip them together. So this is the first one, we leave it on the hook. The second one, we leave it on the hook, the third one, leave it on the hook, and the fourth one, and then we slip them together like that. Another 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go on the next 5, on the next 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we slip them together. And we're going to continue like that. You make 5 chains, you make 5 chains, then you go on 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go on the next 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we slip them together. And you continue like that. You make 5 chains, 4 together, 5 chains, 4 together, all along. So this side is ready. We arrived here, we made 5 chains. Now we do a double crochet, you turn the thread 2 times on the hook. We go here, double treble, you say do double treble, and you make a double treble on that one, on there. Now 7 chains, we're going to make 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We go here, and we're going to do like we did on the other side. 4 groups, we slip them together, 4 double crochet, then we slip them together, we leave the last stitch on the hook just like we did on the other side. Those are 3 and 4, and we slip them together. Now 9 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We're going to do the same on the next 5, 4, 1, double crochet, leave the last stitch on the hook, 2, 3 and 4, and you slip them all together like that, and you continue like that. 9 chains, 4 together, 9 chains, 4 together. Here you make 7 chains, double treble on this one, 5 chains, and these you make like we did on the other side. So the row is ready. I made 5 chains. We go in the 4th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we finish with a slip stitch. We finish the row with a slip stitch, and that is the row ready. Now we're going to start the next row. We do the chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chains. We go here and we do a double in the middle here, and we make a double treble here. So we started with 9 chains and a double treble. 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go here on top of these and we make a double treble. So we're going to make one in the middle and one on top of these double treble with 5 chains to separate them. Another 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We make another one here in the middle. Another 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We make a double treble here. Another 5, we're going to make another 5. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go here in the middle, another double treble. Another 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go here, and we make another double treble. Another 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go in the middle and we make another double treble. We are repeating the same. We make another 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another double treble on top of this one, on top here. Another 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One in the middle here. Another 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A double treble on top of this one. And this is the upper part like that, comes like that. Now, we're working on the side now. And we're going to do the same. We'll make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go on top of this one. And we make a double treble. We're going to make 5 chains and a double treble on top of each one of these on the sides. Double treble. Another 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another double treble on the next one. And we continue the side like that. You make 5 chains and a double treble on each one that we have. 5 double treble, 5 double treble, all along. So this row is ready. We finished here. Not ready, the row, that part. We make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to do the same one here in the middle, just like we did on the other part, on the other side. Another 5. This here one in the middle, one on top of those 4. One in the middle, one on top of those 4. Now one on top of the 4. A double crochet, a double treble. Another 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the double treble in the middle here. Another 5, and you do like we did here on this side. You continue like we did on this side. Then when you arrive here, you continue 5 on these, double treble here, double treble with 5 chains to separate them. Just like we did the other side. Then when you arrive on the other side, you have to make on top of these in the middle. When you arrive on top of this, one on top of this with 5 chains to separate them, just like we did on this side. The same we did on this side on top of this. So the row is ready. As you can see, I closed it with a slip stitch in the 4th one here. I closed it with a slip stitch in the 4th one, and this row is ready. So We start by making 8 chains. Here I'm showing making 9 chains, but you make 8 chains. Don't make 9 chains. 8 chains. So we make 8 chains. I'm making another one. Don't do this. Only make 8 chains. Now, you skip. We're going to work here in this one. You skip the first space. You go here. And we make 5 trebles. 5 double crochet, let's say double crochet. Trebles is in English, but we're using double crochet in American. So we make 5 double crochet in each space that we find now. 4 and 5. 2 chains. We go in the next one here and we make another 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. Another 2 chains, 1 and 2. We go in the next one, we make another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Another 2 chains. Now like this side, I'm making this side. You have to make the other side. I'm showing you one side, but then when you go on the other side, you have to do the same. You have to repeat what I'm doing here on the other side, the opposite side of here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We make 5 chains, 2 chains, and we make 5 double crochet in the next one. 1, 2, 3. In all, we have to make 8 groups of 5 double crochet. 8 groups we have to make of 5 double crochet groups. We arrived here, and the last we make 2 chains. We go here, we make another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we arrived here. Now I'm checking. We make 2 chains, another 2 chains. We go in the next space here and we make another 5. In all, as I told you, you have to have a group of 8. 8 groups of 5. 3, 4 and 5. Now, we arrived there in the last one. We still have to make in the space that will remain, 1 space remains. So you make 2 chains, you go here and you make the last 5. This is the last 5. And you can compare it with the other side. The important thing is the other side is in the same place. Like that, you see the same. Here we started, and the other side exactly is the same where we finish. We have 8 groups of 5. So this is the last group here. So we make 5 chains now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We skip this space. We go on this one and we make a double crochet. That space you skip it, and you go directly on the other double crochet and you make a double crochet. So they are the same on both sides. Now we make 3 chains. We go in the middle here and we make a single crochet. Another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We go on the next double crochet and we make a double crochet. Now we have to continue like that. 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We go in the middle, a single crochet. Another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We go on the next one and we make another double crochet. Another 3 chains, 1. Here I think I made 4, so I'm going to make them again. Maybe I made 4, so we make 1, 2 and 3. We go on the other one and we make a double crochet. So we continue all this side like that. 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. In the middle, single crochet. Another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. And a double crochet on top of the other double crochet. And you continue like that. You make 3 chains, single crochet, 3 chains, double crochet, 3 chains, single crochet, 3 chain, double crochet, 3 chain, single, 3 chain, double. You continue all along like that until you arrive here. So this is ready. As you can see, we arrived here on this one when we made the last double crochet. Now we have to make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we're going to repeat what we did the other side. This space you skip it, this you skip it, you start from there. And you make 5 double crochet, just like we did on the other side. We're repeating what we did on the other side. You have to have 8 groups of 5, 2 chains to separate them. In all, you have to have 8 groups of 5 until you arrive on the other side, on the last one. If you count 8 groups of 5, you will know where you have to finish exactly. You have to finish here. The last group has to finish here. Then you make 5 chains. This is the last one. Here you have to finish the last group. Then you make 5 chains, a double crochet. You skip the space next to it. Over here you have to finish the 5 groups. Then 5 chains, skip it here, a double crochet down here, and you do what we did, like we did on the other side, like we did here. But I will be showing you what you have to do after you finish here. Here you make 8 groups of 5, double crochet with 2 chains always to separate them here. All around here, you start from here and you finish here on the other side. Exactly on the other side you have to finish. So here we have 8 groups of 5 like we did on the other side. Now we're going to do the other side just like we did on the other side. So we start with 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You skip the first space here, you go on here and you make a double crochet. Three chains, you make 3 chains, you go in the space here just like we did the other side. Single crochet, another 3 chains, you go on the next one and you make a double crochet. And you continue doing just like we did on this side. You continue just like we did on this side until you arrive here, and then you close it with a slip stitch. So we're going to start the next row, and we start with chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 chains. We start with 9 chains. Now we're going to make a double treble. We go in the first one, we make a double treble. We go in the second one, we make another double treble. Now what I'm going to show you here, you have to repeat it in all of them, all of those, the others. In the one in the middle, we're going to make 2 double trebles. So in the middle, we make 2 double trebles. In the first 2, we make 1 each. And in the one in the middle, we have to make 2 double trebles. So 1, we make another one, 2. And we make 2 double trebles in the last 2. In all, we have to have 6. We make 2 double trebles in the last one. 1 and 2. Now this one that I showed you, you have to repeat it on all of them. Like we did here, you repeat on all. Here you have to make 3 chains now. 1, 2 and 3. Now what we did here, you repeat it and on all of these. You repeat what we did here on all of these. 1, 1, 2 in the middle, 1 and 1. And then 3 chains to separate them. In the one in the middle you have to make 2, and the others 1 each. And 3 chains, as I told you, to separate them on all of these here. So these are ready, as you can see. All of them, we made them on top of them. Now, we arrived here in the last one. So we make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go in the first double crochet here and we make a double treble. A double treble on the first double crochet that you have. Only 1. Now 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go on the next double treble. Here you skip the middle. You go on the next double treble and you make a double crochet and you make a double treble. And you have to continue like that. You make 5 chains. A double treble on this, 5 chains, double treble, 5 chains, double treble. All along, you have to continue all along like that. Then when we arrive here, we have to repeat what we did before. I will tell you what you have to do. So these are ready, as you can see. We arrived here on top of these again. I made 5 chains. Now another double treble on the first 2, just like we did the other side. The first 2, we make a double treble on each one of them. 1 and 2. In the middle one, we make 2 double trebles. 2 double trebles in the middle one. 1. And we make another one, 2. And the last 2, make a double treble on the last 2. 1, no, we have to have 6. 1 and 2. Like that. And on all of them you have to do like that. Now 3 chains. And you repeat on all of them what we did on this one. Then when you finish these all, you arrive here. You do like we did on the other side, like we did here. The other side. As you can see, this row is ready. This side I made it like the other side that I showed you, and we close it with a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Now we're going to start the next chain, the next row with 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we're going to go on these. I'm going to show you on this, then you do on the other sole. And we're going to make a double crochet on each double crochet that we have for now on these. These on this side, then on the sides I will tell you what you have to do. The same, like we did, not this row before, this before the other row. So here we make a double crochet. On each double crochet that we have, you have to repeat on all of them. On all the ones that we have here and on the other side. And here, what is going to change the chains? Here we made 3. Now we have to make 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To separate them, here we have to make 4. Double crochet on each one of them, 4 chains, double crochet, 4 chains, double crochet on all. For now. Then when we arrive here, I will tell you what you have to do. Now we arrived here again. We made 5 chains. These are ready. On top of these are ready. We made 5 chains. Now we go on here on the first one and we make a double crochet. Now 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We go in the middle, find the middle chain, or you can just put it in the middle there, and you make a single crochet. Another 3, 1, 2, and 3. You go on the next one here and you make a double crochet. Another 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. You find the middle and you make a single crochet. Another 3, 1, 2, and 3. You go on the other one and you make another double crochet. And we continue all of it like this. This we continue like that until we arrive here on the other side, and we repeat what we did on the other side. So these are ready too. Now we arrived again here. We're going to do like we did on the other side. We make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go here and we make a double crochet on each double crochet that we have. So we make a double crochet on each double crochet that we have. We have 6, so we have to make 6 double crochet. 6 double crochet on the double treble. Before double treble we made. So we make 6 double crochet on the double trebles that we made before. Continue making a double treble. A double crochet, double crochet on the double treble. Now here we have to make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you repeat here 4 double crochet, 4 chains, double crochet, 4 chains, double crochet, 4 chains, all around. Then when you arrive on this side, you do like we did on the other side, on this side. You continue like that. So we're going to start the next row now, and we're going to start with, here we finished, we closed it with a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Now we're going to make 8 chains. We start with 8 chains. Now we're going to work on these again, on those, and we're going to make a double treble. So in the first one we're going to make, this time in the first one we're going to make 2 double trebles. So you make 2 double trebles in the first one, and in the last one we're going to make 2 double trebles, and the others we're going to make 1. So this is 1 double treble, and we make another one, 2 in the same place. So we make 2 double trebles in the same place. Now a double treble on each double treble that we have in the middle. A double treble in each one we have in the middle. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, and then in the last one we make two double trebles in the last one. And like this one you're going to work on the others. I'm not going to show you all because they have to be all like this one. So 2 double trebles when you start, a double treble on each one in the middle, and 2 double trebles when you finish the last one. 2 double trebles in the last one. Now, as I told you, like this one, you have 2, 1 in the middle on each one of them, and 2 on the last one. Now we're going to make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to do the same like we did here. 2 in the beginning, 2 in the last, 1 on each one of them, and 2 in the last. On all of them. You're going to do that on all of them. So these are ready or all ready. As you can see, now I made 5 chains. I made 5 chains. Now, we're going to make a double treble on each double crochet that we have. So make a double treble, 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and a double treble. Here you skip the middle, you go on the next double crochet, and you make a double treble on each double crochet that you have with 5 chains to separate them. Another 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you do the same. You go on the next one and you make a double treble on each double crochet that you have. So you continue like that all through here. Double treble all through here. So these are ready. Now I made 5 chains here, and we're going to do the same like we did on the other one. We're going to make 2 double trebles like we did on the other side. So do 2 double trebles on the first one. On the first double crochet we made before, we're going to make 2 double trebles. A double treble on each double treble that we have here. Double treble on each one of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and on the last one we make 2 double trebles. 1 and 2, the last one. And you continue like we did the other side. Then you make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here you repeat what we did here. The first one double, 1 on each other, the last one double. All you do them all the same with 4 chains to separate them, just like we did on the other side. We did here just like we did on the other side. Then when you arrive here, you do like we did here on the other side. Now we're going to start the next row. We finished with a slip stitch in the 4th chain. Now we're going to make 8 chains. So we make 8 chains. 8 chains. We go here and we're going to make a double crochet on each double treble that we have. So you have to make a double crochet on each one that we have. We have 8, so we have to make 8 double crochet on each one that we have, that we made before. Those are 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and the last one 8. A double crochet on each double treble we made before. Then we make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we do the same here. A double crochet on each double treble we have with 4 chains to separate them all around. So these are ready, as you can see. Now I made 5 chains. Now we go in the first one here and we make a double crochet. We're repeating the same rows we made before, nothing different. 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We go in the middle here and we make a single crochet. Another 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We go in the next one here and we make a double crochet. Another 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We go in the next one in the middle here. We make a single crochet. Another 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We go on the other one and we make a double crochet. And you continue all the row like that. Continue all the row like that, like we did here, all around. 3 chains, single crochet, double crochet, 3 chains, just like we did here. Now these are ready. I made 5 chains and we're going to repeat what we did on the other side. You're going to make a double crochet on each double treble that we have here, just like we did the other side. A double crochet on each stitch that we have with 4 chains to separate each group. Continue like that here, 1 on each one of them, then 4 chains, 1 on each one of them. Continue like that, all of them. Then on this side, when you arrive on this side here, you're going to do, when you arrive, you're going to do like we did here. So this is ready too. Now we're going to start the next round and we're going to make 11 chains now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 chains. So we made 11 chains. Now we're going to go on the first one. We're going to make a double treble, but the last stitch, leave it on the hook. So the double treble, leave the last stitch on the hook. That is 1. We're going to make 4. We have to make 4. 1. This is the second one. 2. We're making a double treble. 2. Leave the last stitch on the hook. 3. Leave the last stitch on the hook. And the last one, 4. 4 now, the last one. And then we're going to slip them all together. We slip them all together. Like that. Now we make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we're going to do the same on the next 4. This is what I'm showing. You're going to repeat it. You're going to repeat what I am showing on the others. So 1. We go to the next one. 2. 2. We make the other one. 3. This is the third one. And we make the last one, 4. And then we're going to slip them all together. Always a double crochet we make, double treble we're making. And we slip them together. And then again we make another 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and you continue on all of these like that. You make 4 fours together, 7 chains, 4 together, another 7 chains, 4 together, 7 chains, 4 together. All you have to repeat on all of them. Now these are ready, as you can see. Now we're going to make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 chains. We go here on the first one here and we make a double treble. I'll do it again. So I made 7 chains and I'm going to go in the first one here and do a double treble. Now 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We're going to repeat like we did before. 5 chains, you go there and you make a double treble. We're repeating the rows. Here we're repeating always the same rows. And you continue like that. 5 chains, double treble, 5 chains, double treble on each double crochet that you have. So these are ready, as you can see. We arrived here. So we're going to make another 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We go in the first one, a double treble in the first one, and we leave the last stitch on the hook. 1, we're going to make 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, the third one, and 4, the fourth one, always leaving the last stitch on the hook, and then we slip them all together like that. Another 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and you continue here. You make 4 together here like we did here, then 7 chains, 4 together, another 7 chains, 4 together. You continue like that, like we did on the other side, on this side, like we did on this side. Then when you arrive on this side, you're going to do what we did. So the row is ready. We closed it with a slip stitch in the 4th chain here. Closed it with a slip stitch. Now we're going to start the next row. We start with the chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 chains. Now we go here and we make in the middle of those a slip stitch, a single crochet. Now we're going to make the chains. We're going to make 13 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we go in the next one here. And we do the same. We put the hook inside here and we make a single crochet. And we continue like that. We make 13 chains. Then we go in the next one here and we make a single crochet. 13 single crochet here all along. So these are ready, as you can see. Now we arrived here. We make the chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 chains. We go here and we make a double crochet. In the first one we make a double crochet. Now 2 chains, 1 and 2. We go here in the first space and we make 4 double crochet. So we make 4 double crochet in each space that we have. 2, 3 and 4. 2 chains, 1 and 2. We go in the next space and we make another 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Another 2 chains, 1 and 2. We go in the next space and we do the same. 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we continue all the row like that. 2 chains, 4 double crochet in each space, 2 chains, 4 double crochet. These are ready too, as you can see. We arrived here again. So we're going to do like we did the other side. Here we made a double crochet on this one. We make 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we go here in the first one and we make a single crochet, just like we did the other side. We're going to do single crochet, 13 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. We go here and we make another single crochet. And we continue like that. 13 chains, single crochet, 13 chains, single crochet, like we did the other side, just like we did the other side. Then when we arrive here we make the single crochet, 6 chains, a double crochet on this one, 2 chains and 4 double crochet, and you continue like we did this side on the other side. So we start the next row. We start with 9 chains. This is the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is the last row. Now we go here, and here we're going to make in the middle 14 single crochet. So make 14 single crochet here in these 13 chains. Continue making 14 single crochet. So the 14 single crochet are ready. We go in the next one and we're going to do the same. We make another 14 single crochet in the next one and 14 single crochet in each one of these. You continue making 14 single crochet in each one of these. So these are ready, as you can see all. Now we arrived here. We make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go here on this one and we make a double crochet on the first one. We make a double crochet. Now we make another 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we go on work on these. We're going to make a double treble on each one of them, but we leave the last stitch on the hook. So that is 1. 4 double crochet, double treble on the 4 of them, leaving the last stitch on the hook. So then we slip them all together. 2, 3, and 4, and then we slip them. We slip the stitches all together. We slip them all together like that. Now another 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to repeat now. We go on the next 4, we make 4 double treble, leave the last stitch on the hook, and then you slip them together, just like we did the other one. 5 chains, we do the same on all of them, like we did in this one, on all of them. These are ready too. Now we're going to continue like we did on the other side. So we make 5 chains. This is the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go on this one, we make a double crochet, another 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go in the first one here and we make 14 single crochet, just like we did the other side. We repeat what we did the other side. We made 14 single crochet in each one arc that we have of chains. You make 14, 14 here, 14 here, like we did this side, on this side, exactly. And then, when you arrive here, here are the last four, here you make the last 14, then 5 chains, a double crochet, another 5 chains, and you make the double trebles, just like we did on the other side, with 5 chains to separate them. 5 double trebles, then you put them to slip them together, just like we did here. You continue like we did here, this side. And this is the final result, how the runner came. As you have seen, it was not difficult. I told you how to make it longer or shorter if you want. This is 54 centimeters long, as I told you. Hope that you understood what I showed you. Subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, please. And bye for now.